Do you dare to collect honey with your bare hands? Fully geared up, we're heading to the hive to collect honey. First, we use a bundle of mugwort to create Smoke 2 Days, the little bees. Taking advantage of their dazed state, we pull out a small shovel. We pry apart the honeycomb sheets that are stuck together. This makes it easy for us to take out the honeycomb. We shake off the little bees on top, then use a brown bristle brush to sweep away the little guys still resting on the honeycomb. This way, we can obtain a complete honeycomb without harming the bees. We repeat this process many times until all the honeycombs are collected. After collecting the honeycombs, we first dip the honey scraper into boiling water to sterilize it, while also making it easier to scrape off the beeswax. We begin by scraping off the wax from the surface of the honeycomb to expose the honey. Then, we put it into the honey extractor. Through high-speed centrifugal force, the honey is spun out. It works the same way as the spin cycle in my washing machine. The honey that flows out is collected through pipes into iron barrels to be transported to the processing workshop. The honey is then stored in the warehouse, awaiting processing. Through these large filtration tanks, impurities in the honey are filtered out. It will then automatically be filled into containers. After the lid is put on, the packaging is complete, and it's ready for sale.